This 2020 GLC we're working on today needed a new fuel pump and a new fuel pump control module, or an FSCU. These components are high failure items in some regions. When replacing the FSCU, it requires coding for successful commissioning. This process is available natively in your iSCAN device. In this video, we'll show you how to perform this procedure on a 2020 GLC 300 253 chassis. Before beginning, connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure to have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between your NX and the VCI when programming. Be sure windshield wipers are in the off position before beginning. After auto-identifying the vehicle, enter the coding menu. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Powertrain System. Tap Fuel Pump FSCU. Tap ECU Replacement Programming SCN Coding. Tap Enter to continue. Tap Yes, a new ECU was purchased. Tap Yes, the original ECU exists. Be sure the original ECU is connected. Tap Enter to continue. Disconnect the old and connect the new ECU. Tap Enter to continue. In this step, it is recommended to save time by not updating the programming software and to simply perform SCN coding. You can always come back and program the module if coding only does not result in a successfully commissioned module. Tap Enter. Do coding directly. Once complete, you will receive a message confirming a successful SCN coding. The procedure is complete. Tap Exit. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and procedures for Mercedes Benz vehicles.